The 28th temple, Houkaizan Kōshouin Dainichiji, is located in the countryside of Noichi town, Kōnan City, Kochi Prefecture, surrounded by lush green fields. Expansive rice paddies and farmland spread out around the temple grounds, offering sweeping views of Shikoku's natural landscape. Welcoming visitors at the entrance is a stately main gate. Though modest in design, it carries the weight of history and serves as a symbolic entrance into sacred space, inspiring a sense of reverence. The main hall, rebuilt in 1997, is relatively new, but it stands out for its exceptional craftsmanship. Constructed entirely without nails, it uses only traditional joinery techniques with hinoki, cypress, and pine, joining the wood with such precision that the resulting structure rivals modern architecture in strength and durability. For those familiar with Western architecture, this building, which was made purely of natural materials without any concrete or steel, serves as a striking testament to the skill of Japanese carpentry. The Daishido Hall enshrines a statue of Kōbō Daishi, donated by the lord of the former Tosa domain. The statue reflects the deep faith, even powerful figures of the past held in Kōbō Daishi, and stands today as a precious symbol of that spiritual heritage. Deep within the temple grounds stands the Tsumehori Yakushi Hall, where a 1,200-year-old legend tells that Kōbō Daishi carved a statue of Yakushi Nyorai into a living camphor tree using only his fingernails. This sacred tree remains enshrined as the principal deity and is believed to offer healing, particularly for illnesses affecting the head and above. Nearby, a spring known as okaji water flows with clear, sacred water. It has been selected as one of the 40 famous waters of Tosa. Surrounded by peaceful farmland, Dainichiji offers weary pilgrims a place to rest, reflect, and be healed both in body and spirit as they take in the serene scenery of Shikoku. Here, you can touch the essence of traditional Japanese architecture and Buddhist devotion and be soothed by the seasonal blossoms.